Welcome back and good morning. We are leaving Star Ridge Summit in Oregon, right next to the Star Ridge Forest Service campground that we drove through in the previous video. And we are 54 miles north of Burns, Oregon. Yeah, if that campground had cell service, I would totally stay there. I'd get a lot of work done. I have a week and then my data resets, so I think I have like 20 gigabytes I can use uploading videos in the next week. Oh, they have a snow park ahead. So I think out of the 11 sites they had at that last campground, I would say like, what was it, 4 of them, 5 of them were taken. There were 6 of them empty. Not bad. Firewood this place has. Jeez. Probably how they heat their house. Tons of trees to cut down, it looks like. Or dead ones on the ground that can cut. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, there's something to the left. I have no idea how far. I don't have time. It said Swick Old Growth. Just, if it was right off the road, I should have stopped, but it could have been miles down the road. I'll be back in the area sometime. I want to explore more of these gravel roads too, eventually. I wonder if we're in the high desert now, because it got flat. And we are leaving the Mahler National Forest. Yeah, we might be out of the mountains. It's so weird when you get that change in landscape like this. Oh, there is one more mountain range in front of us. I can barely see the silhouette in the haze. So we will go back up again. get some fingernail clippers. This would be pretty if it was blue sky. As I need to rename my channel, Searching for the Blue Sky. That's a good name. Someone probably already has it. There's no cell service out here. I think the cell company's like, why bother? There's nothing out here but cows. Crazy. Looks like we're in a giant bowl surrounded by mountains on every side. If by chance I do go to Yellowstone, or even go see my parents, surprise them, since I will be fully vaccinated in like 7 to 10 days, it'll be 2 weeks. Probably won't take a long trip until November then. November, and I want to go to Quartzsite in January. So if by any chance we don't go in November, the next long trip will be in January. And we'll do a bunch of little trips in Washington and Oregon. Wow, I think this is Seneca already. Looks like it. What a neat little town in the middle of nowhere. Yep, entering Seneca, Oregon. Wow, there's some neat little cabins you can rent back there. And an RV park. Oh, that is way cool. There's no cell service though. Otherwise I would, this would be an awesome place. I can't believe there's no cell service. But this is Seneca, Oregon from Star Ridge Campground. Thank you for watching.